Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the channel. Yes, I finally became a homeowner. Closed on the house last week. I'm super excited. As you can see, in preparation of moving, I've got boxes, some putty to fix some holes, all that good stuff. Bought 100-foot hose for the house. I no longer have a Costco membership. Tried to go to Costco, get some more microfiber towels. I mean, you get like a 36 pack for like, I think 15 bucks. Also got this bad boy. I got the Ring Doorbell Pro for the house. And just to give you guys a little sneak peek, there's an install sitting right there that I haven't got done yet. One of my friends was so kind. He bought me some new bar stools for the house. So that's freaking awesome. Can't wait to get those unboxed and put up in the house. Oh, while I have you guys' attention, does anybody know how much the stock 1.5T turbo goes for? I've had a couple people that said they were interested in buying this turbo. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe 500 bucks, but if you know or you know someone that sold one, please comment down below and tell me how much these factory turbos go for. One other thing that I should mention, I have finally got all my logs back to D-Rob. So hopefully within this week, this coming week, my tune will be, if not complete, maybe 3/4 of the way complete. I'm curious to see what D-Rob has to say about the logs that I sent him. And then of course, once my car gets fully tuned, I will do a full review on that. And then eventually, of course, one day we will get on the rollers and see how much horsepower she's making after we have the final revision of the tune, the custom tune. Okay, so just to give you a little update on the car. So I went ahead and we are going to be doing a spark plug change. The NGK laser iridium plugs are good for like 100,000 miles. But I just decided, since, obviously we got a new tune, new turbo, introduced a lot of new stuff to these spark plugs. And these spark plugs only have 23,000 miles on them, but like I said, it has a totally different tune, new turbo. I actually pulled one of the spark plugs out and they really weren't in that bad of a condition at all. If anybody is running the same PRL big turbo kit, I was told the gap was like you need to be at about 0.28. So if somebody who has this same setup, please let me know what you guys are gapping your spark plugs at. But other than that, the power has been phenomenal with this car. Even though my tune is not complete, I still love having this extra get up, from factory. And you know what I'm saying? I'm not even on E85. It's still just straight pump gas on 93. So we will be doing a spark plug change soon. It's super easy. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so a lot of questions that I have been getting lately is about the brakes. So of course, as you can see, the coating has wore off. That was just for looks, but these brakes are 110 times better than the factory. The slotted rotors with the EBC yellow stuff pads definitely has made this car stopping performance a lot better than stock. The only thing is that I wish is I can't wait for them to have them for the rear. I mean, look how small these guys are for the rear. I mean, even the caliper itself is small, but I definitely highly recommend, upgrading the front brakes, because this is a front wheel drive car, so we need all the stopping power does come from the front. But anyway, so when this video goes live, we'll be exactly 7 days out from leaving, or 6 days out. I'm leaving on a Tuesday, moving into the new house. That Tuesday is my moving day, the 30th. So if uploads are not, on schedule for every single Wednesday, you guys know that I'm moving and all that stuff, and I'll have you guys all updated on social media. So I'm about to put us up in the car. Let's go for a little drive. I want to roll the windows down and see if you can actually hear this car spool, the blow off valve, etc., all of that. Alright guys, so I have a GoPro on the back. I get asked all the time on what the MA Performance street exhaust sounds like with the PRL front pipe downpipe catless combo. So I got the GoPro on the back to give you guys a little bit of sound comparison on that. I think it sounds awesome. This may be one of my last videos that I make here in Alabama, so let's see if I can get some nice little spool noise and some blow off for you guys. God, I can listen to that all it's not too terribly windy in here. Thank you all also for congratulating on me, you know, closing on my house in Florida. I can't wait to meet the car culture and scene there. Also, I cannot wait for my tune to be complete. Hopefully I get all those logs are now in his inbox and they get returned to me with a nice little revision. All right, hopefully there's nobody over here in Mexico. We're gonna do a couple pulls. Second gear. Having these upgraded brakes definitely help when it comes to you know, winding out the gears and having to stop real soon. Also, if many of you do not follow my social media, my Instagram page, I leak a couple, you know, modifications and stuff that are coming to the channel. I'm also getting a oil cooler from MA Performance. Oh, get out of the way, birds. And I've already actually met a couple people, not met, but I had some people DM me, like from the times that I was driving back and forth from Alabama to Florida. They're like, hey, we saw you at a gas station, which is crazy to think that they actually saw me already in Florida. They're like, dang, you already moved here. Not yet. I'll be there in a little less than about 10 days. Some of you guys on the channel, you guys may be Corvette guys. What do you guys think about the new the mid-engine Corvette? I think it's freaking awesome. Watching the reveal of that was crazy. It's crazy to think that, to me, it kind of looks like a Ferrari. Ooh, I can smell those brakes. Those brakes are good and hot. Also, I am actively looking for something. I'm bringing a new, another vehicle to the channel that's, you know, going to give me other content that I can make besides, you know, doing, you know, Civic content. You know, there's still a lot of stuff that I'm going to be doing to this car in particular, but I do want to change it up a little bit, introduce something else to the channel, something that I've always wanted. So let's just hope it works out. Hope all my finances are straight once I get to Florida and get moved in. Hopefully, like I said, there's not too much wind and you guys can actually hear this big turbo spool up. And also, once I get to Florida, this wrap is coming off. I'm gonna make a nice little montage, like a little time-lapse photo of me bringing this car back to white. I am gonna probably leave the mirrors black and the roof black. Other than that, the car is going back to White Orchard Pearl. I miss it so much. And then later on in the year, the car is going to get rewrapped again. I already have a design that I have in mind. I'm going to hit up Premium Auto Styling and see if they can do another render of that, of the, you know, mock-up of exactly what I want to have wrapped. Because as much as I love having this, you know, wrap, it's time to get rid of it. So hopefully, you know, the paint looks freaking good as new under here once I peel it all off. Oh, I cannot wait to have a flat driveway again. that's gonna do it for today's video. Dadgum, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but the cicadas are super duper loud today. But anyways, like I said, that's gonna do it for today's video. Like I said, this may be one of the very last videos I film here in Alabama. I have one more that I'm gonna film. I'm gonna try to do the spark plug change. Hopefully those come in time before I move. But thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And here in just, like I said, by the time this video goes live, I'll have about 4 or 5 days left and I'll actually be in Florida. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're stopping into the channel for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and leave this video a thumbs up. Peace.
It's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.